horse is one of the strongest animals that we know, and yet these very graceful creatures that are stunning, but they have so much strength. And that is the perfect metaphor for Rosebank.
It's almost like a legend, and now that it's going to come back, you can feel it's almost brewing among the whiskey community, and everyone's so excited about it.
The first taste of Rosebank 31-year-old was mind-blowing. It was just a rush of ripe, juicy, exotic fruits like pineapples and mangoes. The cask was there, there's some wood in there, but just as a tingle of baking spices across the tongue. It's this juxtaposition of styles that makes Rosebank really unique.
There's an evolution that's happening right there in front of your very face. And for me, when I was returning to this liquid after letting it sit for a while, I discovered toasted biscuits, brioche, and a little bit of cotton candy and grapefruit zest. These were things that were not immediately apparent.
It's a lovely colour. It's that kind of golden amber mixing with almost like a straw, and it makes it look so vibrant and alive. And it's just kind of a classic whiskey colour that just makes you excited to try it.
There's a lot of depth and richness and almost tingly from the oak spices. They really do linger. And there's this tropical grilled pineapple influence. I think it's just perfect.
The fact that there's not a lot of this liquid around really makes it a gem, a unicorn whiskey that a lot of people want to get their hands on.